let's be clear. I don't believe in democracy, in one sense. You don't believe in democracy. Nobody believes in democracy. You will find it hard to find anybody who will say that that is democracy interpreted as majority rule. You will find it hard to find anybody who will say that if 55% of the people believe the other 45% of the people should be shot,
So that's one solution. The problem is real. I mean, whether you decide it's a problem or not is another question, but the fact is correct. If you have a democratic system with large inequities of wealth, and the great majority is impoverished and doesn't have access to that, and secretly sighs for a more equitable share of life's blessings, in Madison's words, then they'll probably do something about it. And they have mechanisms in a democracy. That part is correct, which means they will threaten the rights of the wealthy to control the property. And remember, property rights are not like other rights, contrary to what Madison and a lot of modern political theory says. If I have the right of free speech, it doesn't interfere with your right of free speech. But if I have property, that interferes with your right to have that property. You don't have it, I have it. So the right to property is very different from the right to freedom of speech. This is often put very misleadingly about rights of property. Property has no right. But if we just make sense out of this, maybe there is a right to property. One could debate that, but it's very different from other rights. And it is surely the case that if the majority lacks the property and is suffering and secretly desires a more equitable distribution, they have mechanisms to do something about it. That's right. And as I say, there were two solutions. The classical one was to eliminate poverty. The one on which our own society was founded was to eliminate democracy. That's sort of worth understanding. And it takes various forms over the years, but the problem never ends.